What's up, YouTube? This is the Barber Illuminati one more time with another fresh one. Today, oh my God, I finally have a Chew Waver Extreme Wave on my channel. Oh my God, we're going bananas over these waves. I think I just see a dolphin. I think I did. Okay, let's go to work. Hello, sir. You need a haircut today? Okay, I got somebody for you. Hey, give us a moment, okay? Yeah, wasn't you that car earlier? Yeah, okay, okay. All right, I'm gonna make this quick as possible. A portion of the haircut has already been completed. I'm just gonna do the back taper, do the right taper at the temple, freshen up the lining, and that'll be it. We're pressing for time. That's about it. Once again, if you're new to the channel, I ask that you subscribe right now. Once again, this is the Barber Illuminati. All detachable blade haircuts, the movement. Boom. Right now, I'm creating my first guideline with the OA as usual. Triple zero. I have less than 20 minutes to wrap this up. I hope I get it done. Size 0, maybe like this. I don't need much of it. So, then I'm going to move on to my 1.5. Usually I have to repeat the steps, but with this hair, I don't have to. Everything is working like clockwork, like butter. This is my 1.5. Manual, when you're done with your drink, with your snack, take this gentleman from me, please. You can take your time, you know, sip on your stuff a little bit. No big deal. Hey, where are you? This is my 1A, below the 1.5. The 1 below the 1A. Boom. Now I'm going to repeat the same steps, but before I do that, I'm just going to do a few tricks with the grain a little bit. This is my 1A. I'm trying to smooth out the transition. What's up, the Custom Made Barbershop in Jacksonville, Florida? Cuss, what's up? Shout out to Cuss. You pumping hacker just like me on YouTube. This is my 1.5. So just tell him what you want. He got you.
I want a 1.5 with the right temple paper.
You want to rotate?
Yeah.
This is my 1.5. One A below it. Then the 1. Do you usually get your haircut with the metal 1.5? You don't know? Okay. Well, Emmanuel, your pick. If you want to do it with your wall, that's fine too.
How you doing?
Sure. Only I'm using it. Work on the taper. I'll give it to you real soon. Work on all the tapers, and by the time you get to it, it should be available. This is the 1. The same 1. I'm gonna flip it upside down to clear the boat. Make sure everything is nice and smooth. To 1A, below the 1. Vic, what happened to the music?
I'm going to some questions.
Oh man. Alright, I'll entertain you in a minute. A little bit of the 000 below the 1A. We are looking good. Hello, sir. Boom. Alright. I'm going to move on to the side taper. Drop the chair a little bit.
You was with me?
You was with me? Did you say when you were with me? I know.
How long?
This is my 000. I'm going to reverse blend the tip of the beard a little bit. OA. The 1, as you can see, I'm moving super fast. I only have a brief moment to record this haircut. This is the quietest I've ever been for as much as I'm talking. Boom. At least the barber knows. He's laughing at me over there. It's all good. I'm just doing a little repetition here, making sure everything come out clean. Boom. Alright, I'm going to move on to the temple taper. First guideline. Boom, we're looking good. Drop the chair a bit. As you can see, a large portion of the haircut has already been completed. I'm only recording a portion of it because we do not have a lot of time, so I'm pressing for time. This video will not be edited. This is 000 below the OA. Basically the same thing I just did at the neck, only we're working with a smaller amount of space. Then the 5-0. Then we'll move on to the 1.5 like I did earlier. As you can see, I'm not taking a whole lot of space with the 1.5. Very soft. The 1/8 below the 1.5. Very soft. Nothing dramatic. Then the 1, same thing, very light. Boom. I'm going to take the same one, flip it upside down, and smooth out my transition. I see a lot of popular YouTubers having a hard time doing tapers. I'm not going to say no name, just not, I don't want to be rude today, no way. I'm not going to say no names, but these guys are very popular, but they're still having a hard time doing tapers. But once my notoriety on YouTube begins to expand, I may have to network with the guys, so let me not even be with you today. Oh yeah, the Barber Illuminati channel is a move. All right. This taper is about complete. All right, I'm gonna move on to the neckline. Oh man, we have 5 more minutes. Yep, neckline. Zoom in a little bit. Boom. Boom, the other side. Oh my God, look at this. I think I just see a dolphin. I did. Nobody believe me. Okay, neckline one more time. Hello, sir. Oh, life is good. Boom. That's it. Okay. What else I need to do? I think I'm going to do a quick span. Maybe fresh up the front lining a little bit. And we out. All right, YouTube, this is the cut. If you watch the haircut all the way through, I appreciate that. This haircut was done with all detachable blades. I'm going to throw in a little razor lining quickly, and we're out of here. By the way, one of you guys asked me about this razor. This is a Parker heavy duty razor. That's what it's called. It's one of my favorite razors. You can find it on Amazon. Just type in Parker heavy duty razor. It's a balanced razor. Boom. All right, YouTube. This is the cut. This is about the second true waver I have on my channel. If you watch the haircut all the way through, I appreciate you a great deal. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share, give it a thumbs up. I'm gonna do a quick spin and we out. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. Here we go. Oh my God, the Barber Illuminati did it again. Wow, wow. All detachable blades is here to stay. Oh my God, wow, wow. I think I just see a dolphin. All right, we out.